Hello everyone, how to Tuts back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to add effects, avatar effects on Discord application. So go to your Discord application or search here Discord, then you'll get your Discord app. Then what you need to do, you need to click here the user settings, the bottom left side. Then click here edit user profile, and then you can see profile effects, change effect. Then you'll see some beautiful and awesome effect here. For example, if you click here, then you can see it looks like that people will public see your profile like this, that this is a thunderstorm, and there are a lot of animation and effects, fire effect, and this is the fruits effect. So you can add, but it's a premium, so you have to go to shop, then you have to buy profile effects. Click here, then you have to add card, or you can buy through PayPal. So it's really easy. So okay friend, today is no more, and see you in the next video.